My name is Kyle McAvoy, and my area of expertise is maritime forensic investigations. Everything from small passenger vessel investigations and recreational boat investigations, right up to deep draft ships and problems encountered in the waterways. I have master's degrees from the University of Michigan in naval architecture and marine engineering, as well as manufacturing engineering. In the Coast Guard, I was a ship inspector for all kinds of commercial ships, everything from small passenger vessels to internationally trading tankers and freighters. And I also investigated casualties that were associated with those ships, as well as the personnel working on those ships. To finish my career in the Coast Guard, I ended up developing the policy by which Coast Guard Marine inspectors inspected all the craft that I used to inspect as a younger officer. What I find interesting about the work that I do with Robson is it enables me to stay proficient at the skills that I've developed through my Coast Guard career, and it also involves an element of problem solving. I genuinely enjoy trying to solve those problems, but to do that, there's a lot of elements that are very challenging and require me to stay fluent with naval architecture skills, with general engineering skills, as well as the skills that the mariners themselves have to be proficient in. Within Robson, we have retired chief engineers from ships, some ex-professional mariners that were sea captains, and that collaboration is quite helpful